Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the watch on a padded surface and identifying the end piece orientation. This prevents scratches and confusion. Use the spring bar tool to compress the spring bar inward while holding the end piece steady. You want controlled pressure to release tension without launching parts. Once the bar compresses, gently tilt the end piece out. Make sure to catch the spring bar with tweezers if it pops free. This first step sets the stage for a clean removal and easy reinstallation. Next, detach the band from the watch case after you remove both spring bars. This gives you room to adjust link count and orientation. If your band uses pins, push them out in the arrow direction. For screws, back them out slowly to avoid stripping. Count links while wearing the watch for fit, then trim evenly from both sides so the clasp stays centered. Once link adjustments are done, test fit the end piece to confirm curvature and alignment before final assembly. For the final steps, slide the spring bar into the end piece, position it between the lugs, then compress and guide each end into its hole. You should hear or feel a click when seated. Once both sides are secured, make sure the band sits flush and the clasp operates smoothly. Give it a firm wiggle test to verify stability. If you spot play or misalignment, remove and reseat the bar or try flipping the end piece. This small tweak often resolves tension or fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.